What's up, everybody? It's your boy Chef DA. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to make gyros. So we're just gonna start out with a pan with oil. Then we're gonna get our MIREPOIX together, which is our onions, celery, and carrots. We're just gonna saute these things down, not to brown them, but just to cook them down just a little bit. We're just gonna add just a little bit of garlic at the end, and then we're gonna put all of our lamb in the pan with salt and pepper. We're gonna add some fennel in there as well. Also some garlic, and then we're gonna add some of that dash extra spicy. We're gonna mix this really well, and then we're gonna add that cooked down MIREPOIX in there. Now we're just gonna flatten that in the Pyrex oven pan, and we're gonna cook that at 365 degrees until it's all the way cooked through. Once that's all cooked through, I didn't really cool it like I was probably supposed to, but you're gonna cool this in the fridge until it's cool all the way through, and then you're gonna cut little slices through. You're kind of mimicking what you're seeing in a restaurant, and they're just shaving off the meat, but you would just basically cut it real thin to get the same thing. As you see here, it kind of looks like meatloaf, but how you make it from scratch, just how you make it. You can actually, if you have a turkey shaver or something like that, you can probably use that as well. But as long as you get nice little thin pieces, you're all good to go. You can actually make thick pieces too. It's all on your preference. So we're gonna add some butter to the pan, and we're just gonna crisp these up. I prefer to use the butter when I do this, just because it gets just a little bit more flavor than just putting regular olive oil. Now we're just gonna add some toasted pita bread in our bowls. You're gonna add the gyro meat. I had sliced down some onions. I have the cucumber. I'm gonna get the mix of how what it's actually called, but I had some tomatoes and lettuce too. I made this the Chicago way, and the Chicago way is for me to add mild sauce on it, and I had put mild sauce on my fries as well, and that's the Chicago way for me. If you're from Chicago, or if you ever been to Chicago and had mild sauce before, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't had mild sauce before, go to Chicago. You'll find out. And that is my gyros from scratch. That was pretty easy, man. That's probably one of the easiest things that I made all week. But try it yourself. Show me a picture, put in the comments if you need any more help on this. It's your boy Chef DA. Like, subscribe, comment. DA out.